Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it, shall we? So as you can already tell, I'm sure, I've already prepped the canvas. I've got some silver, gold, and white, although I think I've completely lost the gold as I just randomly blobbed on the paint and smeared it around. And on that, I will be using light blue and black. The light blue has alcohol in it, and the black has the leather waterproofing spray stuff. And of course, water and PVA glue, naturally. And I'm just going to start on this side, and I'm going to be doing a swipe. Sure, I'm going to have to go all the way across. Just a little bit more black as well. Oops. That's all right. All right. So, I have these hunks of plastic. It was from a cheap dollar store binder that I just cut the covers off and made some different sizes. And so first I'm just going to do a full swipe on the entire painting all the way across. And depending on how that goes, I may also do a swipe back, but not full. But we'll see how it goes. And applying very little pressure, just the pressure of the plastic itself, the weight of the plastic, I should say. I'm not adding any pressure. And that's not too bad so far, but I think I'm going to go ahead and swipe it back, just to see what we get. I see some cell formation popping up, and I don't think I'm going to swipe it again. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick torch. So make sure the air bubbles are gone. And I think we'll leave it at that. We'll go ahead and give it about a half an hour. Come back and take a look and see just what we have. All right, so it's been it's slightly over half an hour. I do see a fair amount of cell formation there. Let's get in a little closer on that. I'm quite happy with the way that turned out. Excuse me. All right, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It would be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.